Today, we've got some exciting news for you, from Anthropic's new hybrid AI model to Adobe's free mobile Photoshop app and Deepseek's rapid AI launch. Buckle up, let's dive right in. First up, Anthropic has just unveiled a revolutionary hybrid AI model that combines deep neural networks with classical reasoning techniques. This model isn't just faster, it's smarter. Imagine an AI that not only crunches data, but can also think through complex problems, much like a human would. What would you do if your digital assistant could offer deeper insights and more reliable decision-making? For consumers, this means safer, more intuitive digital experiences, from smarter home devices to more robust cybersecurity. In the tech industry, Anthropic's breakthrough is setting a new standard for AI development, pushing competitors to innovate even further. How do you think such advancements could change everyday technology use? Next, Adobe is shaking up the creative world by launching a free mobile version of Photoshop designed specifically for smartphones. This move is aimed at tapping into the creative potential of young users who are always on the go. Imagine editing high-quality photos and designing stunning graphics right from your phone. No expensive software needed. Would you try your hand at digital art on your mobile device? Let us know in the comment. For everyday users, this opens up endless possibilities for creative expression and content creation without the barrier of cost. Meanwhile, the tech industry is buzzing as competitors scramble to offer similar user-friendly, mobile-first solutions. Can this shift redefine the future of digital creativity for the next generation? Finally, we turn our attention to Deepseek, which is rushing the launch of its new AI model. Designed to analyze massive datasets in record time, Deepseek's innovation promises lightning-fast processing and unparalleled efficiency. Imagine getting search results or recommendations almost instantaneously. How would that change your digital experience? According to the company, the new model is expected to offer enhanced coding capabilities and reason in languages beyond English. For the tech industry, Deepseek's tenacity is a wake-up call, urging established players to rethink and upgrade their own AI strategies. What potential do you see in a world where speed and efficiency are the norm? And that's all for today. Join us on Friday for another episode. Thank you for watching.